So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to auto save chats on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for zoom.us. So right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that you guys can be able to see an option which is known as my account. Now just select this option and you guys will get on the profile page. After that you guys can see there are a bunch of options on your left. Now you just select this settings option, which is one of them, and after getting on its page like here, you guys will need to select this option which is called in meeting basic. After selecting it, you guys will get on this section right away down to the bottom. So now you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see this option right here which is called auto savings data. So you can see this option right here which is called auto saving chats. So now you just need to switch on off its button, and now you guys have successfully activated auto saving chats option on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to auto save your all chats on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.